Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about something interesting. So, do you know about the 80-20 principle? This rule has some amazing facts. This principle was discovered by Vilfredo Pareto in 1906. That's why it is also known as the Pareto Principle. He once observed in his garden that 20% of the pea pods generated 80% of healthy peas. Pareto expanded this principle to macroeconomics, by showing that 80% of the wealth in Italy was owned by 20% of the population. In 1940s, Dr. Joseph Juran, prominent in the field of operations management, applied the 80-20 rule to quality control for business production. He demonstrated that 80% of product defects were caused by 20% of the problems in production methods. And this rule applies in daily life as well. You might not know, but you wear 20% of clothes 80% of the time, and vice versa. If we think of it as a business perspective, 20% of your clients generate 80% of the company's revenue.
Yeah, I understood. But what I can do with this? Is it any help for me?
You might be thinking the same. But if you look at it at a personal level, 20% of your tasks give 80% of results. So you focus on 20% of tasks and generate 80% results. In this, HyLyt can be your best partner in managing 20% or more of your effective task. And gets you 80% productivity. Can you identify your 20% tasks? Let us know in the comment below. Next week we'll bring you some cool insight from the book, 4-Hour Workweek. Until then, have a productive week and see you on HyLyt.